Ending
Ending.
time. And that nigga said violence. Oh, this one kind of go crazy.
Yeah. Oh. Come on, bro. Damn. They almost had the angle right. This is kind of cool.
Oh yeah, I like this one visually. I think this is the best visual
Better
one.
than the previous one. This shit was dirty. Monochrome ass ending. Dino Sap? What is this?
Minecraft?
You know, I'm really like starting to like Power a lot more than like I did before.
Yeah,
She's cool.
funny. That bitch said heal.
Okay.
Yeah, they really went crazy on this animation. Jesus.
How much?
No
What was the
budget.
budget?
Oh God.
Too
This
much.
budget.
Them poor workers, bro. I hope they're getting paid well.
Well, this
Oh
song is pretty
damn.
good. But, oh damn. Okay.
Pain.
Okay. Why?
Why'd they add her in there?
Why did they do that? That's so pointless.
I wonder if these endings are spoilers.
Nah.